What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
Well, I know. I mean, I like to dance too.
You can't dance.
I mean, my wife says I got moves.
No, she didn't say that.
Yeah, she did.
She said you can even do the two-step.
Well, 1, 2.
Well, see, that's not very good.
Well, I heard you're a good dancer.
Yeah, they call it a dancing machine, baby.
I mean, really? Can you tell everybody your full name? Because I'm not going to call you the dancing machine.
Well, why not?
Well, because you're not a dancing machine, but tell us your full name.
Well, my name is Chuck D. Wood.
Chuck D. Wood? That is a cool name, but do you have a nickname?
They call me Chucky.
Oh, that's cool. Do you have another nickname?
Little C.
Well, Little C. That is such a cool name. But Little C, what does it stand for?
Those stands are cute, cuddly, and guess what else?
What?
Cool, baby, cool. I am the coolest thing you ever seen. Plus, I'm cuddly.
Cuddly? Well, you're not that cuddly.
Yes, I am.